all. Welcome to week 14 of my keto-ish journey. Shirts are getting really loose, which is fantastic. Um, so if you're new here, I'm Dave. I'm 59, and I'm working my way down to 200-ish pounds before my cruise next November. Um, so this morning, I weighed in at, drumroll please, 271.8 pounds. Same as last week, no change. Let's get into the spreadsheet. We are on week 14 and June the 8th, 2020. Oops, June 8th, 2025. And yeah, still 271.8. Not gonna lie, I was hoping to see a drop. Copy, paste that, fix this. Yeah, so um, yeah, maintaining still winning when you're not gaining, right? Wishful thinking. Anyway, there we go. Look, not every week is going to be flashy. Sometimes the body just decides to pause for a bit. I'm not sweating it. This is all a part of the process. In fact, these kind of weeks are where I think consistency matters most. If the scale doesn't move, I don't panic. I just keep going, and I still feel better, sleep better, um, move easier, and yeah, far better than I did 30 plus pounds ago. Now, speaking of keeping things going, I found a little keto gem that makes me feel like I'm not missing out on anything, and it's bread. Um, yep, real squishy bread. Let me show you this awesome keto bread I found called Carbonaut. It's only 1 gram of net carbs for 2 slices, um, and it even has 7 grams of protein, which is cool. I used it to make a killer sandwich, and I filmed it for you. Let's roll the tape. Okay, so I'm thinking I want to do a sandwich for dinner, and we found this, and yeah, it's like 9 grams of carbs, but 8 grams of fiber. So apparently, oh, and 7 grams of protein. That's a bonus. But apparently, this is only nine net carb. Or sorry, it's only 1 net carb. So this is frozen. We store it in the frozen state. Here's a picture of the ingredients and stuff. I don't know if you can see all that or not, but yeah, it looks okay. Give it a go. Actually, I tried this a couple days ago and it made a really good sandwich. So let me pull out a couple slices and put them out to thaw. Pretty cool. Okay. I'm actually kind of hungry. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. Yeah, I'm actually gonna thaw these for about, I don't know, half hour. I'm pretty hungry, but But yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to build a turkey, bacon, alfalfa sprout sandwich. Okay, let's build a sandwich. First things, I'm going to, I want bacon. I cooked a bunch the other day, put it in the fridge. I'm just going to nuke a little bit. So let me take out some pre-cooked bacon, homemade. Need a paper towel. Let me get a paper towel. Okay, that's good. I think I just need 2 for this sandwich. 1, 2. Okay, and my paper towel. Maybe 30 seconds. Okay. Let's build a sandwich. Okay, so these thawed out for about half an hour-ish. Okay, so I got some Swiss cheese and jerky and alfalfa sprouts. Oh, and I got some cucumber. I'm just gonna chop that up a little bit. Chop up this little bit of cucumber. I'm sure that's way enough. Okay. Let's check on the bacon. Now, I like to put a little bit of butter first, just so things don't soak in. Not a lot, just enough. I think the bacon's ready, buddy. Okay, let me move this over. Let's see if my bacon's ready here. Yeah, good enough. Good enough. Ouch, hot. Okay, so, mayo. Okay, put on a little olive oil mayonnaise. You should probably put a bit on both sides, right? Oops, that's enough. Spread it out. That's a fair bit. Okay, now I learned before that I probably should put my cucumbers down first because they will fall out of my sandwich when I bite in. The mayo should hold it in place. Okay, let's get some turkey on there. Move this crap over. I don't know why they put so many plastic pieces of shaved turkey. Ordered sliced, but whatever. Such a mess. Okay, let's put this on. Lots of turkey. Oh. No. Lots of turkey. A slice of Swiss cheese. Some alfalfa. Sprouts. I love this stuff. The dog's right below me. What's going on here, buddy? Is there a dog there? What do you want, buddy? Nothing to see here. Okay, alfalfa sprouts. A lot of them. They don't have any calories, so don't have to worry. Spread them out a little bit. Now, I guess that's all I'm going to put on today. I do have a tomato that's it's not quite ripe, but oh, how could I forget the most important part? Bacon. Actually, I want that underneath my alfalfa. Keep it in place. Oof. Good looking sandwich. Okay, I'll put this stuff away after. Anyway, let's give this a slice and a taste test. Okay, let's give this a slice. Oh, I like the crunch, the bacon in there and stuff. Looks really good. Okay, let's do a taste test here. Okay, let's give one of these a go. That's a nice looking slice. I love these. See you soon. So yeah, Carbonaut bread. If you're missing sandwiches on keto, give this stuff a try. You'll find it in the frozen health food freezers in most grocery stores in Canada and the US, and I think they actually have it around the world. And yeah, so that's it. That's all right. That's it for week 14, and not much scale movement, but lots of flavor and zero regret. Got a favorite carb product that I should try? Leave it in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that. And we're going to do this thing 1 week at a time. Thanks for coming, and I will see you next week. Bye.